Welcome to Section 2, Monitoring and Logging with Kubernetes in Practice. In this section, you will learn how to bootstrap a Kubernetes cluster in Google Cloud Platform and how to install and configure FluentD to send cluster logs and metrics to Elasticsearch. You will also learn about observing a Kubernetes cluster in general. In this video, we are going to create a Kubernetes cluster in Google Cloud Platform. We will do this directly from the Google Cloud Platform console. From the Google Cloud console, click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner of the page. Then, in the Kubernetes engine section, click on Clusters. Once the Kubernetes Clusters page has loaded, click on the Create Cluster blue button. In the Name field, specify the cluster name, for example, Application Cluster, and then select a zone. In this course, we are not going to do anything special with the Kubernetes cluster, so we will not enable any advanced features such as network policies or master authorized networks. In a real-world scenario, though, you may want to launch a VPC native cluster with all the security-related features provided by Google enabled. In general, though, please remember the cluster we are creating is for demonstration purposes only. Now, with all the necessary parameters set, click on the Create button at the bottom of the page and wait for the Kubernetes cluster to be created. It should only take a few minutes. With the cluster created and running, I think we are ready to proceed to the next steps.